Jatend obila e kaunti ma Migori Michael Mangi ogolo siem mager ne moko kuom jopiny mosebedo ka ketho chike mag duoko piny landruok mar COVID-19 e kaunti no. Ne okwedo weche moko mosebedo ka wachore ni chik mar curfew makumo wuoth mar oganda kochakore saa 1 otieno nyaka saa 10 kogwen osebedo ka duoko piny weche mag ohala e kaunti ma Migori kaka osebedo ka ilieko kod jomoko. Mangi bende ne osiemo obila kuom tiyo gi teko mathoth e kinde ma giketo e tim chike mag duoko piny landruok mar COVID-19.
Curfew is a directive from the CEO of this nation, and we want to implement it to the letter. It's not a strategy to punish. It is a strategy to ensure that the Ministry of Health protocols are complied to the letter. So the business of the police is to try and implement the directive, and their role is very clear because it's a mandate that has been enshrined in the Constitution that they execute their mandate with reasonable force, not excessive. It is also a prerogative of the community to ensure they abide by the rule of law, because again, they have a responsibility to do that. So protocols is just simple. It's just like the common sense. There are some people who will think that common sense is no longer common. They will do it because they have seen a police officer. That's when they will wear a mask. They will rush because they have seen the police officers. The time for curfew is clearly stipulated. It's between 7 here, where there is the third wave, so that we try to restrict a lot of movements. It is for the benefit for us all, not for the benefit of the police. So the police are going to implement the directive to the letter so that we ensure that we reduce this pandemic. It is a pandemic that can affect all of us. It's a pandemic that can clear off all of us. We have a duty and an obligation to ensure that we are compliant. And very soon, because we are going to close the schools, we are calling upon the students and the pupils who are going to come back home to ensure that they are also going to be compliant with the directives of curfew.